Number 1. Chevrolet C10, 1970 year of issue. It's very original and very solid. Straight truck. Rust, only small amount in rockers. Paint is original, only needs wax and polished. Only small dent in motor hood right front corner. Tire carrier inbox for 2 spares. Otherwise, no modifications, new seat cover, works just fine. Gauge functionality all work as should. Factory radio and speaker engine, 350 GP with 2-volt valve covers. It's a 1995 motor, cold start, pump gas twice and start, no smoke, maybe a little steam on cold day transmission, shifting turbo 400 transmission. Very smooth and solid. Tires are like new suspension, service coil suspension _. Very smooth ride. Last year factory used coils. Links to listings below. Number 2. BMW 733i, 1978 year of issue. If you're looking for a low-maintenance, eye-catching classic that's easy to own, check out this 1978 BMW 733i. Don't let the miles fool you. This is one of the cleanest examples of an early E23 you will find both inside and out. This rust-free and leak-free example has had a repaint in the original color that was executed to a high standard. The odometer currently reads 200,500 miles. This car has proven itself to be equally as pleasant for city driving as it's been for recent 600+ mile road trips. It's ready to be driven anywhere. This car has new tires within the past year, an upgraded sound system, and has been meticulously maintained by knowledgeable car enthusiasts. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 3. Cadillac Talisman, 1976 year of issue. This limited edition luxury vehicle, with only 1,200 units ever produced, is a collector's dream. It boasts a remarkably low mileage of just 82,000 original miles and has been carefully preserved in a garage over the last 25 years, maintaining its splendid condition. This 76 Cadillac Talisman, limited production with sunroof. Gorgeous black velour interior. The vinyl top is in good condition. The car runs, drives, and stops. Been in storage for over 25 years. Nice wire wheel covers, new fuel pump, some brake work, master cylinder, 82,000 original miles, garaged in Boston, Massachusetts at GatelyRestoration.com. Exterior highlights. The Cadillac's undercarriage and vinyl top are both in good condition, with only minor rust noted. Its classic design and structure are well preserved, reflecting the vehicle's historical value and potential for further restoration. Luxurious interior features. Step inside to a luxurious black velour interior that ranges from good to great condition. The Cadillac features dual comfort seats with a 40/40th split, a 6-way power passenger seat with a power recliner, and a lighted center console equipped with a writing pad. The tilt and telescope wheel adds to the driving comfort, and the vehicle comes loaded with all the necessary power options. Mechanical details. Mechanically, this Cadillac runs smoothly with its original 82,000 miles. It is powered by a robust 500 cu in V8 engine and a turbo hydromatic automatic transmission. After 25 years in storage, necessary updates include a new fuel tank, fuel pump, and master brake cylinder, ensuring the vehicle's performance matches its aesthetic appeal. Links to listings below. Number 4. Lincoln MK3, 1970 year of issue. Experience the epitome of 1970s American luxury with this elegant 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III. This classic land yacht boasts a powerful 460 V8 engine delivering an impressive 365 horsepower, making it not only a beauty to behold but also a thrill to drive. Key features: engine, strong 460 V8 engine pushing 365 horsepower, ensuring a powerful and smooth driving experience. Body: straight and largely rust-free body, showcasing the car's well-preserved condition. Wheels and tires, equipped with stylish 15-inch rims wrapped in beautiful Coker Classic wide white walls, enhancing its vintage appeal. Interior: the driver's side door panel is currently in the trunk, ready for reinstallation. The car needs a new vinyl top, offering you the opportunity to customize it to your taste. Mileage: odometer reads 50,608 miles. True mileage is unknown, reflecting the car's age and storied history. Additional information: this 1970 Lincoln Continental Mark III is the perfect project for classic car enthusiasts looking to cruise in style while adding their personal touch. With its powerful engine and largely rust-free body, this Lincoln provides a solid foundation for restoration or can be enjoyed as is while you make it your own. Selling points: iconic 1970s luxury and design, a true classic, powerful V8 engine providing a thrilling driving experience. Wide white walls and stylish rims enhancing its classic appeal. Straight and largely rust-free body preserving its vintage charm. Links to listings below. Number 5. Ford Fairlane 500, 1957 year of issue. This 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Club Victoria features engine performance enhancements, custom interior upholstery, and a vintage AC system. Powered by a 312 Cu.in V8 paired with a Borg-Warner 3-speed manual transmission with manual overdrive. This Fairlane is a nice driving classic that was shown, driven and upgraded consistently throughout its tenure with its previous owner, says the dealer selling the car on consignment. He 312 Cu.in OHV Phi 8 was rebuilt in December of 2011, per the seller. The cylinders were bored 0.030 inch over. The crankshaft was turned 0.010 inch under. New pistons, rings, and hardened valve seats were installed. An Isky Racing camshaft was chosen. An Edelbrock carburetor with an electric choke was swapped in later. Dual exhausts are present. Links to listings below.